Hello guys, welcome back. In today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum, and we're going to discuss higher time frame, mid time frame, as well as the lower time frames. Before we move on, smash the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for the future updates. Starting from a weekly time frame, $31,500-ish was extremely important, and that was a heavy resistance, and above us there was a level of $32,400 and $500, this level. However, we got rejection in the last couple of weeks at around here, and first important level based on a weekly time frame is going to be $28,300 is going to be very important based on a weekly time frame, as well as the mid time frame as well, that I'm going to cover in a minute. We had an accumulation based on a weekly time frame above 18,500. We saw massive pump to the upside. Also, that confirmation came at around 19,500 and 200 based on a daily time frame. However, bear exit zone 60,052 as well as the $48,000, and we saw massive dump in the market. All the way, it depends where you exited from, between 70 and 75% dump in the market. However, we're still on the higher time frame game, and without getting an exit signal, we saw massive 75% plus pump in the market. Moving on to a daily time frame. On the daily time frame, as you can see, we're just under consolidation. However, without losing $28,300, which is extremely important, and it's going to be early for us to talk about the bearish scenario based on a daily time frame. This was a bit of fake out, and we saw quick recovery in the market. So at the moment, first important level based on a daily time frame is going to be above this daily, weekly, as well as the monthly resistance, which is a heavy resistance that I will explain on the mid time frame. This is extremely important level, and a lot of confluence at around $30,000 and $30,500. And without breaking this level, it's going to be early for us to talk about uptrend based on a mid time frame as well as the daily time frame. However, important support level is going to be $28,300 as long as we stay above that level and we are safe. Otherwise, the first level is going to be $27,200, followed by all the way up to $26,375. On the daily time frame, we can see a clear picture above within this candle. On the same day, we broke $19,200 as well as $500. We saw first leg up with a V-shaped recovery. We reached to the target number one, which was $30,000. The second target was $32,000. So we nearly reached on the higher time frame both of the target levels, and we saw massive pump in the market for the spot back holders. That was a higher time frame accumulation. However, from above $19,200 and $500, we saw over 65% pump in the market, and with the current price action, we're above 55% profit, and this is without getting an exit signal. Moving on with an ETH analysis, as soon as we claimed the second target level, and we saw rejection right from here, and I updated via Twitter, and so far we saw decent dump in the market, which is 5%. However, in the coming days we might see this type of price action that's going to be at around 1925. Without claiming this level, we will see first target level is going to be 1781 all the way up to $1750. However, if we're going to compare to BTC, that will be around 30,200 and 30,500 level. Claiming above this level, we will have a bullish scenario, and we can clear all the way in the first place. The first target level is going to be 2,100 all the way up to $2,050. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about it, because this level is heavy resistance. I can confirm that with my system as well. This is a first resistance and then the second resistance. That's a heavy resistance actually, without claiming, as I said, this level, which is going to be 1920, 1925. It is going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. And we've got 0.618, that confluence with at the moment, as you can see, we're rejecting right from point of control, and then we've got value area high as well. That was a recent swing setup. As soon as we stayed above 1780, we saw decent pump, target number one, 1950, all the way up to $2,040, and we saw decent pump, which is over 14% pump. And from the exit signal, and we saw 5.3% dump in the market. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Before we move on to swing analysis, I would like to cover this setup that I shared via Twitter a few days ago that I was expecting. This is a range high and a range low, as well as I gave these daily levels That's not necessary at the moment because we already tapped and tested, and we saw decent for the scalpers. On the 1 minute time frame, you can see a clear picture. As soon as we stayed above this level and then claimed this level, that was easy 3-hour trade all the way up to this level, which was value area high. And I also mentioned that on the 29 in a range, I'm keeping an eye on breakout or breakdown. Diagonal resistance is strong, and each time we're seeing a rejection, breaking local value area high, long to the next value area high. Previous swing failure pattern is still intact. So I was talking about this scenario, claiming above this level, 29,600 all the way up to $30,000. However, at around 29,000 below, taking this level, which is going to be this daily swing failure pattern, this type of scenario, and claim above all the way up to $30,000. And the next scenario, failed auction, claim above, and then all the way up to the next one as well. Similar target, that will be at around $30,000. Otherwise, as I said, this is a heavy range unless you traded this weekend levels that I gave a few days ago. The next level, as I said, claim this level, and that's going to be easy all the way up to 30,000, followed by $30,200. Moving on with the BTC swing analysis. As soon as we got a rejection right from exactly from daily and then weekly level, right from $30,300 and $400, we saw dump in the market. At the moment, we're on a lower time frame range, as I showed on the previous chart. And without claiming, as you can see, we've got daily, weekly, as well as the monthly, that confluence with a point of control and 0.5 Fibonacci level as well at around, in this level, 382, all the way up to 0.618. A lot of confluence at around 30,000 all the way up to $30,500 and $700. And claiming this level, which is going to be 30,500 and 700, the next target is going to be 31,400 all the way up to we can go $32,400. That's going to be second target level. However, rejection from here, we can send all the way in the first place 28,400. The next level, 27,200, all the way we may see $26,300 are going to be the target levels. So this is the target level. And if you're interested for further confirmation, as you can see, we're below the red line, and then this is a smart money line as well, and all the way without claiming, as I said, 30,700, it's going to be early for us to talk about the long scenario. So this is extremely heavy resistance, and there is another one which is on the higher time frame. We're seeing a similar scenario that smart money system are building up at around weekly level. That's going to be $30,100 and $300, and the last level, it's going to be $30,600. However, rejection from here, as I said, will send all the way back to 28,300 and below. Below this monthly, $26,900 and $800, we had the long setup. We had a target level 30,000 plus and all the way up to $32,000, as I said, and we reached to the nearly to the second target level, and we saw decent pump in the market all the way up to $32,000. We saw nearly 19% pump in the market. However, after this retest, we saw on this level, similar scenario like Ethereum, we saw nearly 5% dump in the market. And these are the levels, play level to level, and we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.